So hello guys, today we are gonna build a gaming PC at 70,000 rupees in India. So the components price are based on India market. So let's take a look at these components. So first of all, we start with CPU. For CPU, we take AMD Ryzen 5 5600. So what is the reason of choosing it? The simple reason of choosing is the 6 cores and 12 threads with 35 MB, which is good enough at 15,000 rupees. And also I am also personally using Ryzen 5 5600. So if you want to know why I'm not taking 5600X this one, well, you can absolutely go with it, bro. I suggest you go with Ryzen 5 5600X. Just increase a few more rupees, you will get a better one. I suggest you for taking this 5600X. Only 100 rupees more. That's all. Also, I total the price of this PC game is 70,000 rupees. I suggested a bit more. It will fit at 70,000. My total price came about 69 something, but I gave it 70,000. You can easily choose it at 70,000. So let's go to our motherboard. So for this, I'm choosing B450M Steel Legend. So what is the reason of choosing it is simply the RGB. For RGB, you can get 10 FPS, no ring deals. Joke aside, I'm also seeing this one as well B450. This one is M motherboard, means micro, and this one is ATX old size, means it is bigger. When this one is bigger motherboard, and why I don't know why this one is cheaper in India. So if you want smaller motherboard, go with the previous one. I mean this one, or if you want bigger, you can go with this one. So our motherboard is finished. Let's go to our RAM. For RAM, I'm choosing Corsair 8 gigs or 8 gigs RAM, or Corsair Vengeance 8 GB. Yeah. So if you want RGB, you can take this one. Almost 500 rupees low. I'm using this RAM personally. This is good RAM. Oh, why not good RAM? It's from Corsair. So let's go to our most waiting moment is the graphics card. So here we are taking GTX 1650 Ampere GDDR6. So check it out, GDDR6. There are two versions of GTX 1650. One is GDDR5 and another one is GDDR6. So I'm suggesting you this one GDDR6 version. And this is what quite good at gaming. At budget gaming, it is quite good, and it is from Zotac. So let's jump to our power supply. For power supply, we're taking an Techneo Eco 550-watt power supply. Good enough. It is bronze certified modular, bronze certified modular 550 modular gaming power supply. Good enough. So casing, we are choosing this one, and take an NX9 292. Well, it depends on which casing you want. There are available options of casing. Take which one you like. But I'm taking this because I'm personally using it in my desktop. I'm using this casing because it is masked and it will attract less. It will attract dust less because it is masked. This one is masked. So let's get to our SSD. So we are taking SSD Samsung E970 Evo Plus. So I want to tell you that if you want faster PC, man, you just brought a PC in your home and see 1 minute for loading Windows. It's really frustrating. I know it's really frustrating because you just bring the PC and the loading time is about 1 minute. After 6 months later, it will take up to 10 minutes. 5 minutes. So it takes so long for hard drive to load up the Windows. That's why we are taking Samsung 970 Evo 250 GB NVMe M.2, and the price is 3,000. So it is optional, but I said before it will may take a long time. So for loading the Windows. So let's get to our game storage. So we'll hard drive. Hard drive is 1 TB Seagate Barracuda. There's nothing to tell about this. Its price is 3,500 rupees. And for monitor, we are taking Acer Nitro 27-inch Full HD gaming. It is quite big monitor. What I say, Full HD with 100 Hz refresh rate. 100 Hz refresh rate, quite good. Well, I saw a monitor from Zebronics which is under 10,000, which offers 165 Hz, but I didn't choose that monitor because something is sus. Something is there, I don't know. That's why I'm not choosing it. I'm choosing this one because SR is known for its monitor. That's why I'm choosing it. So total budget of this whole setup will be 70,000 rupees. Monitor included. Monitor also included this one. 27 inch, quite big. Even my one is 24 inches, but it is 27, quite big monitor. So this is all today. So I'm giving some optional things. Suppose if you want to upgrade your graphics card, means you want to take better graphics card. Where is my graphics card? This one. Yeah. If you want to take better graphics card like 1660, 1660 something, or 1650 Super, 1660. If you want to take better graphics card, I want to tell you some compromises. You can do compromises like I suggested 16 GB of RAMs in this build, but you can take 8 GB of RAMs for now. You can upgrade it later. So you can upgrade later to 16 GB by taking only one stick of RAM for saving money for the graphics card. Another way is cutting to the SSD. You can take only the hard drive, and Samsung Evo 980. You can cut it down from your list and save some money for the graphics card. You can take better graphics card, and also for casing, you can also take you can also take the lower priced casing for saving your money for the graphics card, because indeed at the end of the setup this is gonna be a gaming PC. So from the casing, SSD, RAM, you can compromise for investing more of your budget into your graphics card, like 1650 Super, 1660, or if you can 1660 Super also. So that's for all week today. I hope you are gonna like this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribe and share. So see you next time. Bye bye.